Hi everyone, this is Gamel here and I am a functional medicine health coach. And if you are looking for simple meals, vegetarian, healthy, you don't have to spend too much of time in the kitchen, right? You're in the right place. So welcome here, welcome to this Facebook Live. And when I was preparing this recipe today, I was like, what's it going to be like? Because I've not made this before. This is the first time I'm making it. And I said, I wonder what's going to be, because I had masala in the cauliflower and there's green curry paste as the dressing. All right, so I was like, whoa, what's going to be? So I hope you're going to stay on and have a look at what's happening here. Okay, so it's a very simple recipe. I've got salad. I've got the whole packet of salad here. That's for us having dinner here. Okay, and now I've got fresh coriander from the garden that's ready to be chopped up and sprinkled when we're having it. And there's brown lentils. You can either make it fresh or you can get a canned one. And if you're getting a canned one, get a BPA free one if you can. I've got red grapes. You know, it doesn't matter whether they're red or green. I just thought, oh, since the salad is green, I just wanted something red, a contrast. So there you go. And so here you go, the curried cauliflower. Actually, to tell you the truth, before we started, I actually had one floret dipped into the dressing. It was yummy. It was so yummy. You could just have that, okay? You could just have these florets and the dressing, or as dip, as a starter. How's that? Okay, that's really, really good. So, and sorry, the cauliflower was coconut oil, masala, and salt. All right, and it was baked in the oven. Don't have to worry about it. You don't have to write it down because you'll get the recipe tomorrow morning. And lastly, what I have here, all right, is a mixture of, I've got green curry paste, I've got lemon here, lemon going in here, I've got maple syrup, I've got salt and tahini. This is fresh tahini, and it's all mixed here. And if it gets any thicker, what you can do is just put in more water to make sure it's pourable. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so that's it. This is what the recipe is. So you got the flowers. I'm going to partially put it together. All right, so all you're going to do now is just put in the lentils. Okay. So it's really a healthy, nutritious meal that we have here. Okay, so that's done. That's done. Alright, so there we go. And then add in the grapes. They've been halved. Okay, that's it. Oh, it looks yum. Alright, so that's it. And okay, and all you're going to do is, once that is done, just put in your warm cauliflower, put it in, pour the paste in, the green curry paste, and that's it. That's your salad. All right, so, and sprinkle, don't forget to sprinkle with the coriander leaf. So if you're wondering what it's looking like, so here we go. All right, we've got the salad with the lentils and the grapes, and when we're about to eat, we're just going to add in, all right, just throw in the florets and pour the curry paste. Just be careful if you have children in the house. If it's too hot, you might want to add in more maple syrup, so just go easy with the curry paste. But the curry paste on its own is an amazing dip, I have to say that. All right, so that's it from me, and please share this recipe if you know anyone who's looking for easy, healthy recipes. You got it here, and I will put up the recipe tomorrow morning. All right. Nice to see you here again. My name is Gamel. I'm a functional medicine health coach. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.